Being yourself, playing your own game, so important. It doesn't matter in what perspective or situation or attitude this matters. It's playing your own game, making decisions based on you and your best interests and what's good for you, and not being influenced by others. I see too many people making decisions. In my circumstance, because I manage money for other people are making decisions for their investments, for their risk, based on what other people around them are doing. They're sitting around a table, they're playing cards, they're traveling, they're on the phone, and they're hearing other people's stories. One person's doing this, the other person's doing that, and they start getting confused. Should I be doing that? Is that right for me? And they start acting emotion instead of taking a step back and already knowing what decisions are better for them, what opportunities, what risk level. See, once you're completely certain and clear on who you are and your goals and what you want to accomplish and your risk and your time horizon and everything that's personal to you, you know when opportunities arrive, you know what will be right for you. And when other people are talking, it doesn't matter what they're saying, bragging about the decisions they made, good, bad, or indifferent. Remember, you're never going to hear when they made a mistake, when the decisions didn't work out the way they expected it. You're only going to hear that they made a quick decision and it worked out. No matter what it is, whether it's your career, your business, your investment strategy, your health and fitness, your relationships. Make sure you're making decisions based on what's right for you and not what's going on around you. Friends, social media, parents, family. Because at the end of the day, 5 years from now, back and said, I made those decisions based on other people's influence over me instead of the decisions that I knew was right for me. So play your own game.